OMER stock is just the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Omeros stock is sitting at 10.29. It is 0.5% up today. It's like not the best, not the worst. What I'm going to do is just more so check out the weekly chart. I'm just going to remove this volume thing. Honestly, just in the way. Started breaking through some highs. I just want to see my drawings as well. That was a little fail. Wait a damn minute. Right, there you go. Where the heck are my drawings? Why were they deleted? Who cares, right? Let's start from zero, ground up. Have these highs, new targets. We can argue these are the new highs, so let's just move it a little bit higher. And yes, I mean, it is in theory like a technically bullish market, but like what I'm not going to do is to randomly start buying. More so I want to see the price pull down a little bit. And then if I see a double break, then and only then this is something that I'll buy. Everything else in the meantime is going to be proper noise. Just something that I would not be interested in. So that's how OMER looks like. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.